I am SM Singh. Today I am going to teach the topic polynomial of maths of class 10. At first, I would like to define polynomial. Polynomial, an expression of the form Px is equal to a0, x0, a1, x1, a2, x square, a3, x cube, and so on an xn, where an not equal to 0 is said to be polynomial in the variable x of n degree. Now I am going to give an example. It is a polynomial of 2 degree, x square plus 4x plus 4. This polynomial is also known as quadratic polynomial. The polynomial of 2 degree, the highest degree of the term of the polynomial is said to be the degree of that polynomial. In this expression, x square 4x plus 4, there are 3 terms, first, second and third. But the first term having the highest exponent, 2. So, the degree of the polynomial of Px is 2. And these x0, x1, x square, x3, xn is said to be variables where a0, a1, a2, a3 and an are said to be coefficient of the polynomial. There are a little difference between coefficient of a polynomial and variable. Variables are those quantity having more than one value. But in this expression, a0, a1, a2, a3 and an are the constant term, and the value of these a1, a0, a1, a2 and an cannot be changed. So it is said to be real number or the constant. Now we are going to have the types of polynomial. Before starting the types of polynomial, I would like to talk about some degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. The exponent of the term of the polynomial having highest degree is said to be the degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. The degree of the polynomial can be explained by the different examples. Let us see the degree of the polynomial. Px is equal to 7. Gx is equal to 7x plus 2. Fx is equal to x square plus 4x plus 2. I have taken 3 examples to clarify the degree of the polynomial. These 3 are the polynomials. This is the The first one, the highest power as exponent on x is 0. So the degree of polynomial, first polynomial degree is equal to 0. The second polynomial gx, see here, the degree over the x, the highest degree over the x is 1. So this, the degree of this polynomial 1. Let's see the last polynomials. In these three terms of the polynomial, the highest exponent is 2. Here is 2, here is 1, and this is the constant term, so the degree of the constant term is always 0. So the degree of this polynomial, is 2. So the degree of second one is 1, and this polynomial is also known. Later on we will talk about the types of polynomial. But friends, you must know the degree of polynomial. The highest exponent of the term of the polynomial, and the highest degree is said to be degree of the polynomial. So if you want to check the degree of any polynomial, you must see the exponent over variable like x, y and z. Here the highest degree is 0, so the degree of this polynomial is 0. In the second one, the highest degree over variable is 1, so this is the polynomial of 1 degree. The highest exponent in this polynomial is 2, so the degree of polynomial is 2. So now I am going to define the various type of polynomials. Types of polynomials. Constant polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, and biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. Now we will discuss one by one about these polynomials. At first, I would like to share our views with yourself and interact with each other about constant polynomial. The first one is constant polynomial. See here, the polynomial of 0 degree of unique term is said to be constant polynomial. Just try to understand the constant polynomial. Like example, px is equal to 7, gx is equal to 7 by 2, These are the example of constant polynomial because this 7 may be written as 7x to the power 0. This 7 by 2 may be written as 7 by 2 x to the power 0. As we know, any non-zero number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. You did study in the previous class. So, it is clear that if you want to write the constant polynomial, then it has only the digital value 7 by 2 px is equal to 7 because x to the power 0 is equal to 1, and if you multiply 7 into 1 it is equal to 7. If you multiply 7 into 2, what is equal to 7 by 2. So, the constant polynomial has only the constant term. And friends, see you in the next class. Thank you.